Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to transfer money from Shopee to Cash App. Here's how to do it in a few easy steps. First of all, open the Shopee app and log into your account. Make sure you have enough funds available. Go to the transfer section and select send money. Here you will set up the transfer to link it to your Cash App account. To link Cash App, use your Cash App routing and account numbers. You can find this in the Banking tab under Direct Deposit. Now enter the amount you want to transfer, confirm the details, and complete the transaction. It may take 1 to 2 business days for the funds to show in Cash App. Once the transfer is processed, your money will appear in your Cash App balance. Now you are ready to spend or send it. And that's it. Transferring money from Shopee to Cash App is easy. Like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.